And here we go again. This is number 8. What we're gonna do here, we've got our hex base, of course. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take, I'm gonna start with my white one here that I happen to have. And I'm gonna make about a hand width bubble. Get out of the way, here we go. Then I'm gonna take the one next to it, which happens to be orange, make a hand width bubble, and I'm gonna connect those two to make a little triangle there. So I've got a hand width bubble out of these two and connected them to adjacent ones. Then I'm gonna skip over to the next two and do the same thing. So make a hand width bubble out of each one, just like that. And then just twist those together. Just one, another triangle. We're gonna do that again with our final pair. We're making 3 triangles that are coming up off of these. So we've got our 3 triangles there around our base. Now what you're gonna do is I'm gonna start here with my yellow one and see how it comes up this way. I'm just gonna continue across here and I'm gonna make a thumb and a hand width bubble. You can see that. And then I'm gonna jump it over here to the next triangle next to it. There we go, so just wherever you can see where I'm going. There we go. So it started over here and I'm gonna come over here and connect into these two. Now, because the white is on this side, I'm gonna use it to go across and connect to the pink and blue triangle over here. So again, another thumb and hand width bubble and connect that into the pink and the blue over here. And now once I get to this one, because the pink is on this side and I'm continuing on around that direction, I'm gonna take the pink one, with a thumb and a hand width bubble, and bring it over to where we started there by the green and the yellow. So what I've done is I've got my 3 triangles that we first formed around the base. Then I took one of each of those, and now I've got a triangle in the middle here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come back, now out of the, we'll go back to our yellow and green where we started, and it really doesn't matter which one you wanna start with. Because my green, you can see I've got it comes up and goes this way. It's just a preferencing which way you wanna go. I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna go out to the end, and I'm gonna twist off about a hand width level from the end of it there. And I'm gonna bring that back across, I'm being attacked by it, over to my white and blue here. You see where it's coming across? I'm just jumping over, and I'm gonna twist that into the white and blue. So I've got those there. And then I'm gonna take my blue, do the same thing, pull a bubble on the end, and I'm gonna bring it over to where my orange and yellow are. And then I'm gonna take my orange, do the same thing, a bubble on the end, and come back to where my pink and green started over here. Green is already left, so that's okay. Lock that in. So now you've got 3 loops that have jumped across from our triangles there. Now we've got 3 more sticking out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna continue them. I'm gonna take my yellow, and you can see it's going this way. So I'm gonna jump it across underneath my blue here. So go out to the end, pull a hand width bubble, and then I'm gonna run it as a loop underneath my blue in there, twist it into the white one like that. You can see how I've got now 2 loops on that side. One big loop sticking up of the blue one, and the yellow is smaller, so it's under the bottom there. And then I'm gonna take my white, same thing, a hand width bubble on the end, and bring it across here to where my pink is. And then finally my pink will do the same thing, a hand width bubble on the end of it, and bring it over here where the orange and blue are. Now we've got 6 big loops, 3 that are sticking up, 3 that are sticking down, and then we've got our 6 ends, and what you want to do is bring 3 up into the middle, like that, and the other 3 are going to stick out the sides. And if you'll position them a little bit, you can get them where they'll kind of all stick up and out, like that. And then just come back and put your little balls on the end of them. Thingamajigs, dewey boppers, bubbles, whatever you want to call these thingies. I just like putting them because I just think they give extra character. You could. There we go. Oh, and the pink one. And now you've got a very unusual. Stick those out to the sides now. Fun, crazy hat.